Hi, fourth graders. Today in science, our goal is to start our first science unit. Yay, I'm so excited and I think you're going to love it. So today we're going to be starting our journey learning all about the Earth's changing surface. For this lesson, you're going to need your blue Science and Social Studies notebook, a pencil, and I believe that's it for now. You might need something else in a little bit. All right, so if you don't have those materials, you can pause and grab those now, and I'll wait here. Alrighty, so the first thing that you're going to need to do is title. Remember, this big margin is intended for our title and our date. So make sure you add that right now. You might need to pause to give yourself time to do that. Okay, next what we're going to do is we're going to count out 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to draw a line below. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And draw a line below. And we're going to write K, W, and L. And you may have created charts like this in the past. That's great. If not, that's okay too. So in this K section, we're going to be writing about what do we already know about Earth's changing surface. What do you know about things that have already changed the Earth, that are changing the Earth? What do you know about rocks and how landscapes change? If you need to pause to write this, you can do that now. Next is what we wonder. What questions do you have? About the Earth's changing surface. What are you wondering about this topic? And finally, this last section we actually don't fill in now, we fill it in at the very end of our unit. What have we already learned about, or what have we learned about the Earth's changing surface? Okay, if you need to pause, you can do that now. You should have at least 3 ideas for both what you know and what you wonder. Think really deeply. What do you know already about mountains? What do you know already about the different landscapes? Maybe take a little walk outside and notice the land around where you live and the Earth's surface there. And then what questions do you have? This is going to be a part of your exit ticket, also very, very important. All right, so you should have your notebook all ready to go. Today, my big goal, or our goal or objective as a class, is to think as a scientist. So I really want you to know that scientists think about what they already know and about what they wonder before they start doing any research. Have fun today. Enjoy watching the Generation Genius video and make sure that you are writing the reflection questions for today's assignment right in your social studies notebook. You can do it right on the back page of your KWL chart right here. You do not have to write down the questions. Just make sure you number them and write in complete sentences. Have fun.